So dear learner, till our previous lecture we have completed our model till that situation. Okay, so after that we'll go for creating our, okay, before that let's go to view and go for tilt view. Now what we'll do actually, now we'll create our here we'll create our a staircase. It's very critical and it's very important to create a staircase in Revit software. So first of all, here our first landing will be 3 feet. Okay, as per our plan, we can see here our first landing will be 3 feet, and you have to must remember that we have to create our staircase in I'll just go here for view. Is just see, if you just come here, our first staircase here, this is our stair, okay, landing. Okay, so this is our first landing. It will be in 7 feet, and this is our second landing place. So if I go here, just see, if I click here, from that point to that point, this is 5 feet 6 inches. And again, sorry, okay, and okay, let's close it. Again, so if I just go here, from that point to that point, our total height is 5 feet 6 inches, and from that point to that point, this is 4 feet 6 inches. So you can understand that our that level are different. So this is not in same level. Like if I just go from our first floor to second floor, that is 10 feet, and our mid landing will be 5 feet above. So it will be very easy to create a staircase here, but creating a staircase in that situation is not easier because our both landing are not in same place. So what we'll do actually, first of all, I'll just do ground floor, and in our ground floor I'll take a line here, okay, or I'll extend our staircase, or I will extend our that slab little bit for 3 feet. Okay, so for that, what we'll do, go to 3D, and from here let's select our staircase and just go here. Okay, and I'll click here edit boundary. So when I'll click boundary, and I'll take a offset of that for 3 feet, I'll just go here 3 feet offset, and it will be 3 feet offset. Enter, and simply click here. Just see, here we have taken offset. I'll close it, I will delete it, and what I can do, I can move it here like that. Otherwise I can go here for trim. So to trim that one, I'll just click here and click here. So I'll click okay, here trim are as trim are not working, I'll just click here. Simply it should work. Okay, see, it's working. So I'll just trim that portion, and when it's done, this is our first landing place, and I'll just click here. If I go 3D, see, they have an extension, and from here we'll start creating our staircase. So it's done. Now we'll go for our staircase. Before that we need our next, here from that position we need our next landing, I mean our mid landing. So for I mean in that position, at that position we need our mid landing here. So to create our mid landing here, I mean a landing here, we'll go for that. So how this distance will be, okay, or how the length of our that mid landing or going will be. So for that, if I just go here, and from here I'll see total distance, it's 11 feet till that point, and here till that point it's 8 feet. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll take our total landing is, if I just go 7 into 12 then 6, total 90, it will be okay. I will take our own landing for a 9 inch. Okay, I'll take our own landing for 10 inch. I mean on our own step will be 10 inch, and it's okay for 10 inch. I'll just close that one. Now from that point to that point, I will again take a line here. Simply I'll take a line here and I will move it to top. Actually, it's totally depend on you that how you will maintain that, how you will complete that. It's totally depend on you. So I'll just go here, our stair level 1, stair landing level on, and here I will just create that. So for that I need total. I will take a line here. Simple, will take a. I'll just go here for floor, and I'll take architectural floor, and here, okay, it's okay if we take a 4 inch slab, it's okay. But I will for the staircase I will take a 6 inch slab. Okay, I'll take a 6 inch slab, it's better. So to do that, I'll just close it. I'll just go to our ground floor and I'll go here, edit from that point to that point, from that point to that point, from that point to that point. Okay, so I mean this portion will be for 4 inch, and here I'll take another new portion. Here I'll take another new portion which value will be total I mean 6 inch. So here I'll just go here, that will be 4 inch, and I'll take a duplicate. I'll consider that for 6 inch. Okay, I'll cancel it. First of all, I will click here, then I'll just go here. I'll go for floor, then architectural floor, and edit. Here take a duplicate and it will be 6 inch. I'll just click here and must provide here for 6 inch. Okay, everything is okay. Concrete for 6 inch, apply. Okay, now I'll draw here. So first of all, I'll take a line here. I'll skip, then I'll go for our offset, and it's already in 3 feet, so I'll take offset here. Okay, and I'll take a line here from that point to that point, and from that point to that point. Just click here. Okay, we have drawn, but it's here. So why here? Because if I select it, because there here we have provided our offset height, so I'll make it 0. Just simply apply. Just see, it's now okay. Okay, see. So when it's done, now I'll just go here for ground floor, and as here after 7 feet 6 inch, we need a line for 7 feet height. Okay, so we'll do it. For that, again, I'll just go here, floor, then architect, and here 6 inch. I'll take, I'll edit it, and I'll take replicate 6 inch 2. Then okay, then okay. Okay, now I'll take a line here. From that point to that point, I'll take a line here, and here, just close it. Again, go here for architecture to floor level. So 6 inch slab, I'll edit it. It's okay, 6 inch, but I'll change it. 6 inch 2, then okay. So when it's okay, just provide here 5 feet and 6 inch, right? Because we'll take a line at offset of from that point to that point. I mean, in that direction, we need a line after 6 feet, 7 feet 5 inch, and we need our total floor height or total landing height is 5 feet 6 inch. So I'll just take a line here. I'll go for offset. Seven feet 6 inch. Okay, it's done. I'll close it. Again, I'll just come here. Done. Just okay. Now give test level on. Just see here we have created our staircase, and if you go in 3D, see here, this is already available in your mid level. We can also check it. We can also check it by creating a section. So go to view, section. So from that point to that point, close it, double click here. See, this is your first point, and this is your second point, and this is the mid, and this is your first. Okay, so it's done. Now we'll again go here, ground floor. Now we'll start creating our staircase. But here we can see here our that section are not showing. So what we can do here, we can after coming here, we can go here, overlay. So overlay, it's showing none. We'll go here, overlay for our ground to. Okay, take level on. Just see here, we can see our that mid landing are showing here. Now we'll go for creating a staircase. Architect, then go for a staircase, and they have many options actually. We'll create our staircase with that option, run, because already we have created our landing. So now only we'll create our run. So to do that, I'll click here, and here which types of a staircase we need actually. We need concrete staircase. I'll just click here. So we need our not precast, monolithic staircase. We'll go for monolithic staircase, right? So I'll click here. I mean cast in place staircase. I'll just click edit, and I'll take duplicate monolithic staircase 2. It's okay, and our maximum riser height here, nosing. Okay, let's take it as usual. We'll just go here only. So minimum our maximum riser height 7 inches. It's okay. So minimum trade depth, what will be the depth? 1 feet. Minimum width, so we'll take width for 3 feet and 6 inch, or we'll check it here. We'll go for measurement, and from that point to that point, it is 7 feet and 6 inch. That means our total value will be, I mean total width will be half of that value, 7 feet and 6 inch. That means 3 feet and 9 inch. So we can consider that we'll take a gap between two staircase, we'll take a 6-inch gap, so 3 feet 6 inch, it's okay. So again, I'll just go edit, I'll go duplicate 2, and it will be 3 feet and 6 inch. Okay, it's done. Maximum riser height, so this is the maximum, it's not fixed. Minimum depth, so I can take it 0 and 10 inch. So I'll click apply, then okay. So when everything is okay, number of riser, you can see here the number of riser it's showing here. From, if we start from that point, okay, now this number of riser 10, and our actual tread, it's okay. I'll just go in top, this is 5 feet 6 inch, it's also okay. So if you're not showing that situation or that option, just simply click here, run. Okay, so I'll just come here. From where to where you want to create? I want to create from ground floor to SSL1. Okay, and total height is 5 feet 6 inch, it's okay. Then total number of risers, so how much number of riser you expect, as our number of tread will be, actual tread is 10 inch we have considered, so our number of riser will be 10, it's okay. And if need, we'll change it later, no problem. So with the default value, let's start. I'll simply click here, and from here to here I'll just click it. Okay, now again I'll click here and I'll move it, or I can click here to move, not copy, move. So from that point to that point, move it here. Okay, when it's done, just simply click apply. Now you can see a staircase have been created, but it is okay or not, we have to check it. For that, I'll just go here, view, go for section view, just simply take a section, just simply take a section here. Okay, and double click here, you will see this is our staircase. Now if you think that it's okay for you, it's okay, otherwise we can go for our further on step. Okay, we can go for further on step. So what we can do, that we can create another or we can create another staircase, but I think sometimes it's okay, because that position are matching with that level, and I think it's okay. Okay, I think it's okay. But also we can click here, we can go for further number of riser for 11, and here we have to go for none. Okay, and we'll just consider for 6 feet and click apply. Okay, and see in that section it's also not okay, so I'll just press Ctrl Z to further adjust. I'll click here, still level, it's also okay, it's okay actually. Okay, now what I can do, that we'll go for 3D, and we can see here our that portion is okay. And if you need to change it, or if you want to use different types of that railing, you can use that. Just simply we have to click here for railing. Otherwise, if I click on a staircase, and if I just go here, then we can change many things from here actually. Minimum riser height or maximum riser height, here you can see it. Then construction type, nosing, if you want to use nosing, you can use that. Otherwise you can leave it, then close it. Thickness, nosing thickness. Okay, so you can change it as per your requirement. how you want actually. Then calculation rule, they have the option for calculation rule, and sometimes it's okay to here, sorry, I'm sorry. So here, if you need to change your that nosing system or this inclination, then I'll just go here for nosing. I'll just click here, uncheck it, then apply. Just see, it will be okay. Otherwise, if you can check here, apply, it will give you a riser for nosing riser, nosing, and for tread, if you just click here, apply, you will see a tread, nosing tread here. Okay, so I'll uncheck it for now for both and just click OK. See, it's okay. And okay, apply. Clear? So in this way, we are able to create our staircase, and further we can go for our next work. So for that side, it's okay. Again, I'll just go here. Now I'll go for that side. So same, it will be same. I'll click here. I'll take a duplicate for 3. Okay, then okay. I'll uncheck it, and from here I'll go architect, then stair. So everything will be same as previous. We'll select run, and from here edit, take a duplicate. Okay, and from okay, skip it. From where you want to start? So our base level will be stair level 1, and our next level will be first floor. Okay, it's 4 feet 6 inch. So everything actual tread 10 inch, it will be 10 inch, and automatically our riser will be calculated, no problem. So from here we'll start creating. I'll just click here, and first of all, I'll take it. I'll go to first section. See, it's not okay, right? It's not okay with our distance and with our values. It's not okay. So again, we'll go for our next work. I'll just close it. I'll just go here, level 1. I'll click it, click on here, and I'll click on none. I'll go for that value. It's okay. A number of riser 8. It's okay. I'll just go for section. So you can see our that level is not okay. So what I'll do actually, now I'll go for the extension, because we know that as our that height are lower than that height, so we have to increase our that level little bit up. So I'll just go here, and here if you go number of 9 riser, then apply. Okay, so I think everything is okay, nothing to worry about that. Now what we'll do actually, now I'll just click here. It's also okay. Okay, it's also okay. So if I just go here for section view, now we have to go for our next move. We'll go for our next move. So what we'll do, just see here, when we have done it, it's changed its slope. Again, if I just go here and if I take it for 5 feet and 0 inch and click apply, see, it's changing its value, same as its requirement. Now we just need our that landing here. So what I'll do, I'll just simply copy of that one. I'll just go for copying and I'll click here as into selected level, and at first floor I'll place it. Okay, so when it's done, simply I'll click and edit, or I'll just go to our first floor. So from here, first floor, and I'll go edit boundary element. Until that point I'll move it, right? Click and move. So from that point to that point I'll move it, and I'll click here apply. Would you like to wall that go up floor? Okay. Do not attach. Go to section and see, this is no okay. So for that portion, I mean for both portion, it's okay. Now what I can do that I can click here for railing. We can go for different types of rail pipe. Yeah, I can click here. We can go for or handrail rectangle, or we can go for rail pipe. It's looks good. So it's done. Okay, so if I just go here in our 3D view, you can see for our staircase, I'll just again go here or section, select it, again I'll go 3D. So it's done, and I think this one delete, and this one is not required, right? They are not required. It's done. Our stack is okay, and here I'll do something here, or stair level 1. I will make a circular portion here. So to do that, again I'll just go architect, then floor, architectural floor, and it will be 6 inch 2. It's okay, and offset height 5 feet. Okay, I'll just take it 0, and stair level 1, I'll take it. Okay, first point, that one. And it takes something. So till which point our that boundary is, from that point to that point, right? From that particular point to that particular point. So I'll just go here. It's okay. Now I'll go here. So from that point to that point, click, and how much you need, it's up to you. So I think it's okay if I take like that, and just select that one, close, just check it, go to 3D, it's done. So done. Now we're ready to replicate our model for second floor, and in our second floor we'll complete our work randomly without any problem.